All right, so I have a PC right in front of me. This is HP laptop. It's blinking 3 caps lock. I know what that is, right? What that means. That is RAM problem. So I'm going to show you in a jiffy how it is behaving. All right, so this is the HP laptop. Let me turn it on. It's on, yeah? Let me check the side. Is there a side light? All right, so this is light right here. And nothing on the screen. Is there a caps lock blink? Good. There is a caps lock blink. That is two, right? Okay. Now again, one, two, three. Okay, stopped. Then another one, one, two, three. So every 3 caps lock blinking. So that's how it's going to be doing continuously. Yeah. If perhaps until battery drained. Yeah. So next thing is for me to do is evidently this thing is pointing that the RAM section has problem. So now depends what develop fault. Is it that the RAM has problem or the problem comes from the RAM section on the motherboard? So until I take it apart, that's when I will know. All right, see you then. All right, so I've loosed out the screws and I've disconnected the fan, the Wi-Fi card, and the DC jack. So flipping it around, here is it, and this is where I'm going. The first step is for me to look at the board to see if there's any kind of spill, and apparently there's no any kind of spill. Okay, there are 2 RAM slots, but it's only one that is being utilized, and there's no spill of any kind. So next thing is for me to do what? Remove this RAM and try to revive it. Can you see what I did? How I do revive this RAM? Simply is by rubbing it on your hair. Yes, this golden part. This light is it. And see if it's going to revive it. But if not, perhaps the RAM is dead. Replacement. And replacement does not work. That means I have to dig deep down to find the cause. If to check if the voltage that is meant for the RAM is coming or it does not come. Alright. So I will pop out the RAM, popping it out. I pulled both shoulders aside to pop out this RAM. And next is for me to do. All right, so I'm going to rub these golden parts here, like this, and like this. Yeah, good boy. Boop. So, so I've done that. So I use just a hand to do that, like. So let's see if this thing is going to work or not. Yeah. All right, so I've coupled the PC now. So I want to plug it in and test it finally. If, yeah, we have a light. And we do have a light. Next is power button. Yeah, I press the power button. You see, it's up, it's working. All right. So that's how you fix it.